Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for me, and comment below. Step 2. Securing your wallet data. Alright, so we're going to start out by securing our wallet data. What I mean by that is keeping all of the information in a centralized location within one folder, like I've started here, and then we're going to transfer that to an offline location after we've synced to the blockchain. Alright, so the first thing that I want you to do is open up WordPad or any type of word editor and create you a file. I'm going to put this over here, and I am going to make this a little bit smaller so it is easier for me to copy and paste. So I'm going to start out by saying public address. And I'm going to copy this address. Just click, left click from the bottom here all the way over to here at the top, and let go, and then right click, copy, paste. Now we are going to remove all of the spaces in between here. As you can see, they're on separate lines. We need to remove the spaces here, very important. So I put the cursor right in front of the S in this example and press the backspace key. I'm going to do it again on the E, backspace. Now we have all one address in one long contiguous line. That's my public address or public wallet address. So now we need to get the rest. You mouse over here and you're going to see rotation button. We're going to rotate it twice. Then we're going to get our private spend. And we're going to do the same thing here, guys. Copy, paste. Now understand, I want to be very clear. Take the space out. I want to be very clear. I am not ever going to use this wallet for any transactions other than what we're doing here in the video. Reason being is I am exposing all of this information to the internet. If you copy this stuff off the screen, you could have use of this wallet. That's why I can't put any of my coins or money into this wallet that we're creating. I am doing this. This is going to be a wallet that I throw away when I get done making this video. But you cannot expose or let anyone see this information. Just want to be very clear. So, private view. Same thing. Copy, paste the entire string. Alright, now we have all three addresses. Now, what I want to do with this is, if you have the ability to print this out, I would recommend doing so. Here's why. If you lose the electronic information, then you have a backup in a way to recreate your wallet. Because let me be very clear. Your coins are not actually held in your wallet. They are stored transactionally on the blockchain itself. So if you lose your electronic information, you can recreate your wallet with these 3 keys. So I would print this out if possible. Do this in a safe and secure location. I would recommend doing it at home, not in a place of work or public library or anything like that. But print this out and then keep this separate from your electronic information that we're creating, your digital information that we're creating for our thumb drive or external hard drive. And then keep this in a completely safe, locked up location, hopefully fireproof. They recommend putting it in a plastic bag just to keep stuff off of it, debris, dirt, things like that. Good recommendation. So I'm going to go ahead and close that out. Now I have all 3 of the addresses that I need, all the information off of that paper wallet that I need to progress to the next step. Now I'm going to open up my ETN wallet folder again. And I'm going to save this to that folder. Desktop, ETN, and this is going to be my keys. I would name it something. You can name it whatever you want, but I would name it something that you can remember. I'm going to do keys and password. So here's the thing. If you were putting this in a public location, I definitely wouldn't name this key file and password. But since this is going to be your information and it's going to be kept offline, there's not much of a reason why you wouldn't or why you would try to obscure it by giving it a false name or something like that. Because anybody that understands how to work on these wallets or steal your money is going to be able to find it anyway. So just make it easier on yourself. So keys and passwords, I'm going to hit save. And now I have my file in my ETN folder. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button for me, and comment below.